Hi guys, I'm Michael from Makita and I'm here to introduce our new 18V x2 brushless chainsaw. These new models feature captive bar nuts and will be available in a 350mm or 400mm option. These saws feature an outer rotor brushless motor. This direct drive system is extremely efficient, with power equaling that of a 30cc petrol chainsaw. These saws are very easy to start. Push the main switch and hold down the trigger. No need to pull start. The variable speed trigger gives you the same feel and control as a petrol chainsaw, but the impressive thing about this saw is the 1200 meters per minute chain speed, as well as the run time, cutting 52 150mm pine logs. There is also an oil window allowing you to check the remaining volume of chain oil, and a metal spike bumper which has good bite into your work material for greater control while cutting. So that's our latest 18V x2 brushless chainsaw. If you have any further questions, head over to our website.